If you want to make a simple, elegant, and practical kitchen tool, this video will show you how I turn a spatula from beautiful plum wood. For this project, I'm using a plum wood board that's 3/4 of an inch thick. I sketched the shape of the spatula onto the board. You can use an existing spatula as a template, or sketch your own design if you prefer. I cut out the sketch shape on the bandsaw. Because the board is too thick at the widest part for the lathe jaws, I remove a small section of material at the end to reduce the thickness and make the mounting easier. With the piece mounted on the lathe, I start by shaping the handle. As you saw in the introduction, I'm using a simple handle shape with just one decorative element at the end. This keeps the spatula easy to maintain and clean. When shaping the wider part of the spatula, I gently and slowly remove material to avoid damaging the edge. In this step, I make the only decorative element, a groove at the end of the handle, which I burn with a wire to give it a black finish. Before finishing the work on the lathe, I sand the handle to a smooth surface. The wider section of the spatula is still as thick as the board, so I shape it down to its final form on the bandsaw. Since the bandsaw cut only gave us the rough shape of the blade, I now refine it to the final form on the belt sander. Here I also make sure the blade tapers evenly and follows a smooth, gentle curve. In the next step, I finely sand the blade of the spatula, smooth the transitions between the handle and the blade, and round the edges, all using an angle grinder with fine grit sandpaper. To finish, I smooth the entire spatula with a sanding sponge. All that's left is to apply the final finish. For the final finish, I use a homemade mixture of beeswax and mineral oil, which protects the spatula, is completely food safe, and brings out its natural color. With the piece complete, I hope you enjoyed the process, and if you did, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more woodworking projects.